Hello, 9th standard. Let us continue with our lesson number 14, and this will be my ninth video of lesson number 14. In this, we'll be discussing page number 112, on which explanations are given for types of soil. That is, 6 types of soils are explained in detail. So, first one is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil can be divided into 2 types, khadar and bangar. The soil formed due to the fresh alluvial deposit is known as khadar soil, as this soil is formed due to the river floods. It is found mostly nearby the rivers. Generally, such soil is sandy. So, which soil is sandy? That is जो रिवर्स के किनारों पर होती है या फिर फ्लड्स की वजह से जो सॉइल फॉर्म होता है, that soil is called khadar soil. Okay, and this soil is we can tell new or alluvial soil. New means fresh alluvial soil. Okay, then soil containing old alluvial in the upper valley region of the river is called bangar soil. It is sticky and has dark color. Alluvial soil is seen in many parts of the country. Their fertility is also different at different places. Generally, such soil is very fertile. It is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. So, alluvial soil. One is khadar soil, we can tell new soil, fresh soil, and second is bangar soil. Bangar soil is old alluvial soil which found in valley area, okay, of Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. इसमें fertility ज़्यादा होती है, मतलब इसमें this soil is very fertile to go on with agricultural work. So, alluvial soil पे कई सारी crops भी grow हो सकती है. Next one is black soil. This soil is found mostly in Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. Black soil is a gift of peninsular plateau. This soil is very sticky and fertile. It can be retain humidity for the prolonged time. It is formed from the igneous rocks. It is formed from the igneous rocks. Which are igneous rocks? That is first type of rock which is formed by lava. That is when lava dried up, it converted into rocks. So that rocks gives black soil. Okay. And is very useful for cotton cultivation. That is why it has become famous as black cotton soil. It is also known as rigor soil. See, alluvial soil is divided into 2 parts, khadar and bangar. And black soil is known as black cotton, or which is another, that is rigor soil. Understood? ब्लैक सॉइल स्टिकी होती है, फर्टाइल होती है, काफ़ी एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स एक्टिविटीज हो सकते हैं ब्लैक सॉइल पर. ओके, देन द थर्ड वन इज रेड सॉइल. नाउ रेड सॉइल, such soil is found in the region of igneous and metamorphic rocks. In its red color is due to its ferrous and other humus content. The soil is porous and fertile. Such soil is seen in Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Jharkhand. तो रेड सॉइल जो है वो कहाँ पर पाई जाती है? That is also seen. रेड सॉइल ज़्यादातर पाई जाती है जहाँ पर igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks होते हैं. ओके, ह्यूमिड कंटेंट उसमें ज़्यादा होता है. So red soil is very porous and fertile even. Okay, Next is laterite soil. Laterite soil develop as a result of excessive erosion by rain. That is due to soil erosion when soil move from one place to another. उस वक्त laterite soil form होता है. Due to heavy rain, the humus content less humus, it is less fertile. The red sandstone contain Laterite soil develops as a result of excessive erosion by rain. Due to heavy rain, the humus content from the top soil descends into the lower strata, which is called leaching. As the soil contains less humus, it is less fertile. The red sandstones contain iron and aluminium. The erosion of these rocks results into its red color. Such soil is found in mountainous region of Deccan, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha and some parts of northeast. So we can tell laterite soil is mostly found in mountainous region. Next is mountain soil also, but laterite soil is also available more in mountainous region, and humus is more in that. That is, biotic minerals are more in that. Dead bodies of plants and animals जिनका oil extract होता है, तो that thing is too much in this soil as well. Okay, and this soil, when due to soil erosion, जब soil एक जगह से दूसरी जगह move होता है, तो fertility of that soil descends. fertility उस soil की कम हो जाती है, जिसको लीचिंग भी कहते हैं, LEACHING. Okay, then the next is mountain soil. Now with the name only we can come to know mountain soil is mostly available in mountain area only, and it is less fertile soil because it is less sandy and it is not having humus. उसमें fertility ज़्यादा नहीं होती. Let us read. Humus content is more due to forest, although it differs from place to place. Such soil on Shivalik range is less fertile and less developed. The soil is sandy and porous and does not contain humus. Such soil is found in the mountainous region of the country, such as in Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern Hills ranges, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir states. So ये ज़्यादातर उन्हीं states के नाम हैं जहाँ पर mountains availability है. Okay, वहाँ पर humus present है, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा fertility available नहीं होती उस mountain soil पे. So agriculture activity in mountain soil is very less. Okay, last is desert soil. Desert soil is found in arid or semi-arid region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana. Arid और semi-arid ऐसी places जहाँ पर या तो बारिश होती ही नहीं है या तो बहुत कम बारिश होती है. Okay, so where are such kind of places? These places are in Rajasthan, in Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. The soil here is more alkaline and has less humus content. Agriculture has been made possible in such soil through irrigation. Irrigation facilities हो तो वहाँ पर कुछ agriculture activities हो सकता है. Thus, a large diversity of the soil of the nation is seen due to diversity in climate and relief features. That is, जिस तरह से अलग-अलग areas का अलग-अलग मौसम है, उसी तरह से अलग-अलग soil availability है. Okay. In your 9th standard book, you have 6 soil explained in detail. Actually, this is basic knowledge about these 6 soil. In 10th standard, you have completely different explanation of all this. Like what kind of minerals are present in this soil, what kind of agricultural activities can be taken on these soil, and where these soils are available, how much % of area is covered with this soil, These queries are sought out in 10th standard. So just go through with this explanation and be clear with at least basic idea of this soil. Okay everyone? Here we finish our lesson number 14 of geography. I'll be giving you PDF of these questions which you have to write answers in your SS notebook, and MCQs you can do it in your textbook itself. No need to go on writing in your notebook. Okay everyone? Now this 9th video I will repeat twice. Today you get this video, and next SS lecture you will again get the same video, so that you will get more time for writing work. Understood? So last video of any lesson whichever I teach, that lesson's last video will repeat twice, will be given you twice for 2 days, so that you can cover up your writing work with 2 days nicely, slowly and with good handwriting. If I give you 1 day, you may do it in hurry, but I want you people to do writing work carefully. Just read properly what are you writing. Okay everyone? Thank you, and complete your work please.